Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn how to write the expanded form when standard form or short form of large numbers is given. Also, we are going to learn the vice versa of this. That is, how to write the standard form when the expanded form is given. So, both the things we are going to learn, right? Come, let's learn.
Today we are going to practice expanded form of large numbers. In this, I just want to teach you one trick which will be very useful and handy for you when you are doing the expanded form of very large numbers like the number E. Okay, in this, let me start with first A only. I know all of you can do A very comfortably because you have done this in class 4. But with A, I will teach you the trick. Let us read the number first. 47,534. Now children, you know it's very simple. This is 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 4. No great guns. So, the trick I want to teach you is like this. When you have to write the expanded form, you write the very first non-zero digit, like 4 is the non-zero digit, and behind 4, those many zeros will come as there are digits in the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there are 4 digits in the number, so 4 zeros will come at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus next non-zero number is 7. And there are 3 digits after 7. So after 7 there will be 3 zeros. The next non-zero digit is 5. And after 5 there are 2 digits. So after 5 there will be 2 zeros in the expanded form, making it 500. Then plus 3, and after 3 there is only 1 digit. So after 3 there will be only 1 zero, making it 30. Plus 4. So plus 4 has come as it is. Okay. Now this is slightly bigger number, but again I want to explain the trick. Let me read the number first. 6,23,700. Now after 6 there are how many digits? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the expanded form after 6 there should be 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making it 6 lakh. Now plus the next non-zero digit is 2. So after 2, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 2, in the expanded form, there will be 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, making it 20,000. Let us move further. After 2, the next non-zero digit is 3. And after 3, there are 3 digits in the number. So in the expanded form, we will have 3 zeros after 3, making it 3,000. And after that, the next non-zero digit is 7. And in the number, there are 2 digits after 7. Whether they are zeros or any other number, that does not make any difference. There are 2 digits after 7. So we will put 2 zeros after 7, making it 700. Now, in the number, there are no non-zero digits left. So if you want, you may put plus 0 plus 0. But you may not put these zeros at all. Why? Because 5 plus 0 is 5. 23 plus 0 is 23. 748 plus 0 is 748. So when you add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. So children, these two zeros may not be written in the expanded form, and even then your expanded form will be absolutely correct. Okay, now let us move to the bigger number. Let me first read the number. 84 lakh 40,560. So in the expanded form, it will be 80 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 40,000 plus 0. Now this 0 is there because of this 0 at the thousands place. Now you must be wondering why I have made it red. You must be feeling ma'am has given a nice red and black combination. No. Actually, all the zeros which have been written in red, they can be omitted. There is no need to write those zeros. But if you feel comfortable and you feel, this way I won't make a mistake, then there is no problem. You may write it. Plus 500 plus 60 plus 0. Now this 0 is there because of this 0. I hope you would have understood. Let us practice two more numbers. 7 crore 30 lakh 90,800. So this is equal to 7 crore plus 30 lakh plus 0. And this 0 is because of this 0 at the lakhs place. Plus 90,000 plus 0. Again this 0 is because of this 0 at thousands place. Plus 800 plus 0 plus 0. And these two zeros are because of these two zeros. I hope children you would have understood. Let us practice one last number. Don't be impatient. This number has no zeros. Please see this. Let us read the number first. 93 crore 27 lakh 65,452 is equal to 90 crores plus 3 crores plus 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Children, please pay attention. In all the big numbers, I have put commas, and commas are very, very useful for reading the numbers. So wherever the number has become 1,000 or more than 1,000, I have made it a point to put commas. And I would request all of you to use commas whenever you write large numbers. This will help in minimizing your mistakes, and it will also be very, very useful in reading the numbers. Thank you. I hope you will adhere to putting commas at the correct place. It's really important. Now we are going to write standard form or short form of large numbers. When we were doing expanded form, I was telling you that you can add these numbers and you will get this as the answer. Same way I'm going to tell you right now. 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 4. This gives us 47,534. 4 is at 10,000's place because it was 40,000. 7 is at thousands place. 5 is at hundreds place. 3 is at tens place. And 4 is at ones place. Okay, now let us move to bigger number. This is 6 lakh plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 700. So 6 at lakhs place, 2 at 10,000s place, 3 at thousands place, 7 at hundreds place, and mind you, there is nothing at tens place and nothing at ones place. So we are going to put 0 at tens place and 0 at ones place. Okay, now let us move to the bigger number. This is 80 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 40,000 plus 500 plus 60. So 8 at 10 lakhs place plus 4 at lakhs place plus 4 at 10,000s place. Mind you, children, there is nothing at thousands place. So what will come at thousands place? Think, come on. Yes, 0 will come at thousands place, 5 at hundreds place, 6 at tens place, and again a 0 at ones place because there is nothing at ones place in the expanded form. Okay, 2 more numbers. Okay, let me read the number. 7 crore plus 30 lakh plus 90,000 plus 800. Now, if you try and add these 4 numbers, you will get this answer. 7 crore 30 lakh 90,800. Also, you can write this number without adding. Let me tell you how. 7 at crores place, 3 at 10 lakhs place, nothing at lakhs place means a 0 at lakhs place. 9 at 10,000s place, nothing at thousands place means 0 at thousands place. 8 at hundreds place, 0 at tens place, and 0 at ones place because the expanded form is finishing at 800. There is nothing, no tens and no ones. 90 crore plus 3 crore plus 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Children, you must be thinking it's so long, ma'am, how we are going to do this? But it's very easy. 9 at 10 crores place, 3 at crores place, 2 at 10 lakhs place, 7 at lakhs place, 6 at 10,000s place, 5 at thousands place, 4 at hundreds place, 5 at tens place, and 2 at ones place make this number 93 crore 27 lakh 65,452. I hope, children, you will be able to write the standard form or the short form of large numbers whenever required without making any error. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.